today is, I don't know what day it is, but today I'm going to fix my hair. I'm going to the salon, and not that my hair is broken, but I need it for work, so I'll bring you guys with me, and I'm going to get ready now, so bye. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Actually, I don't want other people to touch my hair anymore because I want it to be healthier. I want it to stay normal, but I really need it for work, so I don't really have a choice. I'm going to get ready and been talking a lot to you guys, so yeah. And then I got really hungry. Thank God for Red Ribbon. I wish I have my own camera, but I don't have my own camera here. I'm just using my phone, so bear with the quality. And yeah, so I saw them backstage, but I don't really know them. I'm not a fan of them. So if you know Squad Goals, is the name Squad Goals, comment down below. And yeah, also I decided that I'm kind of old enough to fangirl over teenagers, and that's not really my thing anymore. Except for Lainey and Maroon 5 and the music stuff. Oh gosh, I'm really sweaty right now. And I need to go home. I think the last trip going to our town is like 7:30. It's 7:05 and need to ride a taxi ASAP. So I'm inside the mall now because I think it would be easier for me to find a taxi on the front side of the mall. So that's why I entered the mall again. But okay, there's a lot of people. Now all I need to do is find a taxi so that I can go home. I can't find any taxi. Literally running right. Okay, I found one. Bless you. Oh. Shit, the line though. Oh my, sorry. Oh my god. How can I go home? So I'm here inside a taxi right now, and it's 7:15, I think 7:15. Hi guys, so I'm back at home. Finally, I made the last trip. Anyways, I'm still using my phone, so bear with the quality again because my camera is dead bad. Like, I haven't charged it, so bear with the quality again. Thank you. And so this is my very flat hair and my very oily face, as you can see. I kind of miss my wavy hair already, and yeah, I'll update you guys about my hair on how it will look like after I wash it and after like 6 months, 3 months update if you want. And anyways, thanks for watching and thanks for sticking up until the end. I guess it's very dramatic. Anyways, bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at SheenTheExplorer and SheenTheExplorer